trying to pull it in.
What are you looking at?
You get multiple overrides. So it looks like basically a rat's nest.
Yeah, because,
So
you know, I
that's
tried to
because
judge,
it just does. You have 5 wraps on, you try to pull it in. If you have 1 or 2 wraps on, you pull it in, it just stays 1 or 2 wraps and doesn't get tangled up. And then after you've got all that line, and then you can put your wraps. You don't need the wraps until you're ready to wind on the wind. The reason you need 5 wraps is because that's going to take a whole bunch of load. You won't do that by blowing by hand. So when we crank on the top, that's when we need the wraps. So always pull in first, and then get your wraps later. Okay? Alright, now, ladies and gentlemen, we are heading down toward our gate. The starting flag and the white buoy over there have become the gate. We have our option. We can go around the flag, or we can go around the buoy. Stars and Stripes is locking us out of going to the buoy. So unless we want to follow them, the buoy is going to be really hard to go around. The flag, however, is out here in the flowing current. The current's going that way. Right now, the current's going against us. When we turn and go around the mark, it'll be going with us if we stay offshore. Right now, you're on the edge of a 1,000-foot cliff. The island of Cozumel is a plateau with very steep sides. So right now we're on the edge of the cliff. On that side of the boat, it's 1,000 feet deep. Over there, where it's light blue, it's 60 feet. Main grinder ready. Stand by. And we will be grinding the 2 boat lengths. We're going to be pulling in massive here, but you can't get the wraps yet because we still have the main out. So put 1 on. Go 1. We'll start with 2, but that's cool. Alright? You're just going to pull it.
This lady is a long way to go.
Pull it
Why
back.
get 2 up so these people stand up?
Main grinder, first gear, go. Pull in more. Alright, now you can rest it. 1 more pull. And go over the tab, into the top groove. Pull it tight, release. Put the handle in. Good. Start grinding anti-clockwise. And grind clockwise. All set? Set? Okay. Clockwise. Here we go. Run the party.
Ready, go.
We're going upwind. Max trim on 2, please.
Good job. Yeah.
These watch.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. We're really going that way.
Grind, second gear, go. Grinder, hold. Put 2 more rocks on here, please. Upwind, you need about 5 or 6. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you gotta get to that flag over there. Stand by to tag, please. Pull in over here. Get all your wraps on now. Preload that way. Okay, 1 more wrap on. Now go over the top. Handle it. That's okay. Just pull. That'll have to sort itself out. Left side. Release this one. 3, 2, 1. Start grinding anti-clockwise. Okay, here's the yacht crossing right there. Back to about all the way. A little bit more, please. Okay, hold. Now, the other yacht crossed ahead of us. Okay, that's all right. When we tack back, they had starboard, so we had to keep clear of them. We tack back, we'll have starboard, and they'll either have to go behind us or leave bow us. So just tack where they tack underneath, try to give us bad air. Good tack. time. Ready, main grinder. Hands on. First gear, go. Pull in here. Release over there. Release that side over there. Release that off. Yep. Another wrap and grind. Ease that one off. Drop the line. Ease main out, Michael.
He's mine out, Michael.
Speedboats to the right, dive boats to the left. Hey, in Cabo we had humpback whales everywhere. Right in front of your boat and you have to turn to avoid the whales. But, yeah, if we saw a pod of whales, I wasn't the skipper of that particular boat, like to be magnetically gravitated toward pods of whales.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the fourth
Right
leg.
into me.
How's everybody enjoying
First
this?
gear, go.
Awesome!
Hold the main, hold the main.
Alright, guys, looks like we're still in first place. Let them know about it.
Woo!
Alright. I think they like the view from back there.
I think that's the view they should stay in back there. Hopefully we...
Alright, team, this is the fourth leg. Something special happens in this leg. Where's our team captain? Where you at? Hey, what's your name, Donnie?
What's your name? Lisa?
Lisa. Give it up for Lisa, everybody.
Yay!
Okay, Lisa, you're going to give us a speech of 10 seconds.
Oh, dear Lord. Okay, everybody do a great job, and we're going to win it! Wait. I say everybody gets something free out of the cooler. There you go. You've been
Okay,
sailing
folks. What?
20 minutes?
Sorry?
We've been sailing 20 minutes?
I'm not sure.
I'm the timekeeper, I'm telling
Oh,
you.
okay. That's good. Tell me for the story. You're doing an excellent job. Doing a wonderful job with that. No, you can stop timekeeping now because now it's just whichever boat crosses the line first. And we've got a small lead here,
That's good.
which is nice. We have our option of going around the buoy or the red flag. The buoy is easier to go around. The red flag, there's more current out there. Where's our team captain?
Right here.
Okay, team captain, are we rolling here?
Yes.
Team captain, you want to go around the buoy or the boat?
The buoy.
Okay, there you have it from our team captain. Give us a little motivational speech.
Okay, we're gonna do it, guys. You got put as much energy as you can into this.
All right, thank you very much, team captain. All right, ready? All right, we're going around the buoy. Main driver, ready? Hands on. First gear, go. Okay, pulling the jib a little bit. Here we go. Hold the jib. Hold the jib. Okay, ready to tack? Tacking in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tacking.
Where's our judge's
Oh,
boat?
that's good.
Where's our judge's boat? Yeah. Okay, grind, grind, grind. Go, go, go.
south, but you can also slow down the other guy by positioning your boat between him and the wind.
That's awesome.
Well, he'll look like he's catching. We're going to come up and try to get on his breeze here. Alright, come bring it in, Dave.
He didn't still on, did he? He did.
Pedro, we have a marking pen or a piece of tape. It would be good if you have a marking pen, like a Sharpie pen would be ideal. You can mark the halyard where it is now, and that'll be your reefing halyard height on the main halyard. That way you got it at the end. Also on the topping lip, this is pretty good unless we have somebody we need it a little bit higher than this because we get some people over 6 feet
As you
tall.
can see, guys,
Maybe 4 inches more
they
shorter.
like the cheek.
4
They
inches
turn the
farther up
engine
than
on every
market.
once in a while. Hey, throw your engine on!
Yeah, if you mark it with tape, that works temporarily. Pull it over there, let's knock out of here. Backing. Got the line dry. All set when it gets hard. Hey, go the other way. Give me some gravy on the potatoes. Gravy on my mashed potatoes, baby. Salsa on the chips. There you go. Salsa on that taco. Everybody has salsa on the taco. Alright. Now we got the finish line over here. Check it out. See the committee boat, folks? That's the little speedboat. To the left of the dive boat is our committee boat. That's the right hand end of the line. He's got the flags. The left hand end is that red flag, which is in line with the boat shed, which has a radio mast attached to the boat shed. To the left of that, you'll see a little red flag. That's the finish. Let's tack over. Ready to tack? Tacking. Over there. Release. Here comes stripes and stripes. Yeah, buddies. Yep. Stripes and stripes is almost bow on. Rolling into attack. Here we go. Pull on that side, release this side.
Still in our way,
Okay, guys, the finish line's right over there. And we're putting a tight cover on them. They went across, I knew that they were going to get starboard tack on the next come around. We want to put a real tight cover. When they tack, we'll be on them in a real tight cover situation from leeward, actually. Ready to tack? Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go before we get to the dive boat.